Welcome to the spoken tutorial on sets in Python. In this tutorial, you will learn to create sets from lists, perform union, intersection and symmetric difference operations, check if a set is a subset of other, and understand various similarities with lists. To record this tutorial, I am using Ubuntu Linux 16.04 operating system, Python 3.4.3 and IPython 5.1.0. To practice this tutorial, you should know how to run basic Python commands on the IPython console and use lists. If not, see the relevant Python tutorials on this website. First, let us see the overview of sets. Sets are unordered collections of unique elements. The set itself is mutable. We can add or remove items from it. Let us start IPython. Open the terminal. Type IPython3 and press Enter. From here onwards, remember to press the Enter key after typing every command on the terminal. Let us look at how to input sets. Type a_list is equal to inside square brackets 1, 2, 1, 4, 5, 6, 2. Type a is equal to set inside brackets a_list. Then type a. We can see that duplicates are removed and the set contains only unique elements. Sets can also be created directly as follows. Type b is equal to inside curly braces 1, 2, 1, 4, 5, 6, 2. Type b. As before, we see that the set contains only unique elements. To create an empty set, type c is equal to set open and close brackets. Note that d is equal to open and close curly braces creates an empty dictionary, not an empty set. Sets can contain numbers, strings and tuples, but cannot contain mutable elements such as lists or dictionaries. Type b_list is equal to inside square brackets, again inside square brackets 1, 2, 1, 6, 2. Now type b is equal to set inside brackets b_list. As you can see, it gives a type error. Now let us perform some operations on sets. For this, we will first create a pair of sets. Type the sets as shown. Here, f is the set of Fibonacci numbers from 1 to 10 and p is the set of prime numbers from 1 to 15. Various operations can be performed on sets. First, we will add an element to a set by using add method. Type f.add inside brackets 13. Now type f. As you can see, 13 is added to the set f. Add method has no effect if the element is already present. Type f.add inside brackets 13. Type f. As you can see, 13 is not added this time. Next, we will learn to remove an element using remove method. Type p.remove inside brackets 13. Now type p. As you can see, 13 is removed from the set p. If the element is not a member, it raises a key error. Type p.remove inside brackets 18. Key error is raised since element 18 is not present in P. The pipe character stands for union. Type f pipe P. or type f dot union inside brackets p. It gave the union of f and p. The ampersand character stands for intersection. Type f ampersand p or type f dot intersection inside brackets p. It gave the intersection of f and p. Type f minus p or type f dot difference inside brackets p. It gave all the elements that are in f but not in p. Type f caret p or type f dot symmetric underscore difference inside brackets p. It gives all the elements in f union p but not in f intersection p. In mathematical terms, it gives the symmetric difference. Sets also support checking of subsets. Type A is equal to set inside brackets, inside square brackets, 1, 2, 3, 4. Type B is equal to set inside brackets, inside square brackets, 1, 2. Now type B less than or equal to A. Or type B dot is subset inside brackets A. It gives true since B is a subset of A. Sets also support checking of supersets. Type B greater than or equal to A. Or type B dot is superset inside brackets A. We get false since B is not a superset of A. Every set is a subset as well as a superset of itself. Type A less than or equal to A greater than or equal to A. It gives true in both cases since A is a superset and subset of itself. Elements of a set can be accessed using for loop. Type for x in A colon print inside brackets x. The items from the set will not appear in any specific order. The length and containership check on sets are similar as in lists and tuples. Type len inside brackets A. It shows 4. Type 1 in A, 7 in A. It prints true and false respectively. Sets do not support indexing. Hence, slicing and striding are not valid on sets. Pause the video. Try this exercise and then resume the video. Given a list of marks as shown, list all the duplicate marks. Switch to the terminal for the solution. Type marks is equal to inside square brackets 20, 23, 22, 23, 20, 21, 23. Marks underscore set is equal to set inside brackets marks. For num in marks underscore set colon marks dot remove inside brackets num. Remove method only removes the first occurrence of an element from the list. Type duplicates is equal to set inside brackets marks. Now type duplicates. We now have duplicate marks in the set duplicates. Hence, we have obtained our required solution. This brings us to the end of this tutorial. Let us summarize. In this tutorial, we have learned to make sets from lists or by using curly braces, perform union, intersection and symmetric difference operations, check if a set is a subset of other using the less than or equal to operator, understand the various similarities with lists like length and containership. Here are some self-assessment questions for you to solve. First, if A is assigned as follows, what is set of A? Second, given odd and squares as shown, how do you find the symmetric difference of these two sets? Third, if A is a set, how do you check if a variable B exists in A? And the answers: first, set of A will have all the common elements in the list A, that is 1, 2, 3, 5, 8. Second, to find the symmetric difference between two sets, we use the operator caret. So we can type odd caret squares. Third, to check the containership, we type B in A. Please post your timed queries in this forum. Please post your general queries on Python in this forum. FOSSEE team coordinates the TBC project. Spoken Tutorial project is funded by NMEICT MHRD Government of India. For more details, visit this website. This is Priya from IIT Bombay signing off. Thanks for watching.